I have discovered a very exciting feature in Photopea that allows you to create a GIF. So if you look here, I have created a range of layers that will show the transformation from the beginning of an image towards the end as it gets more and more complicated. I started with a layer here. I will just hide these other layers so you can see. I started with a layer where I just filled with a pattern that I've created. Then I added a gradient. Then I added another gradient and a further gradient using different blending modes. And then I introduced a sphere and changed the color and then changed the color again. So I'll just show you how to add another layer to show the changes. So whilst you're on the layer, if you right click and duplicate the layer, then you'll see I've got another one. So I'm on the elliptical select tool. I will just create a circle about the same size as that, and I will apply an adjustment to it so that you will see a change from one layer to another. So this time I'm just going to increase the brightness and make a subtle change and say OK. So once you've got all of your layers, you need to make sure that they're in order, that they will animate in this order. So you need to make sure they're in the right order. So move them about if they're not. You need to then apply a command to each layer to tell Photopea that it's an animation layer. So to do that, you just double click on the name of the layer and then do an _a lowercase a. Just like I've done there. So I've already renamed all of them. You need to do it on all the layers that you want to be an animation layer. And then very easily, you just go to File, Export as GIF. The computer will take a minute to think about what it's doing. And it might pop up that your image is a bit too big. So just say to shrink it because it's saving it to the best possible quality. If you look here, the quality is right up. This is a preview of what the GIF will look like. You can alter the speed here, make it quicker or make it slower, and watch it in the preview to see if you like it. Naught equals repeat forever. So if you've got a naught here, which is the default, it will just carry on going through the GIF. If you want it to reverse the frames and start at the end and go back to the beginning, you click there. And the boomerang just keeps it on a continuous loop, which is the same as repeat forever, really. So if you're happy, once you've made all your adjustments, then you just simply click save and copy to clipboard, and that will save into your draft.